In today's video, we are going to show you how to set a stop loss on Axiom to help manage your risk while trading. A stop loss automatically closes your position if the market moves against you, helping limit potential losses. So on Axiom, there are two ways that you can do this depending on the market you are trading. Number one is going to be the poles and perpetuals. So let's go through both methods and let's begin with the poles. First, make sure you have already opened a pulse position. If you don't have any position yet, for example, let's choose a random position here. I am going to choose the American Oil Relief Program or AORP. You will be forwarded to the trading panel. For you to be able to put a stop loss, all I have to do is under the market section, I want you to check the box here for the advanced trading strategy. Because if you do, you can simply add not only a stop loss, you can add take profit, trailing stop loss, dev sell, and migration. But for this video, we are going to look for the stop loss field and enter the price that you want your trade to automatically close if the market moves against you. For example, let's say I'm going to add a 69 amount here. Double check the stop loss price is correct. And once you're happy, click the confirm, save, or buy to apply your changes. What will happen is your pulse trade will now automatically close if the market reaches your stop loss level. Now, if you're trading perpetuals, the process is very similar. Now, all I have to do is enter your stop loss price. Your perpetual position is now protected with a stop loss order. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you set a stop loss on Axiom, whether you're trading a pulse or perpetuals. It's one of the most important risk management tools every trader should use to help protect their capital. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.